Hi guys! Welcome to challenge number 3 of our Autism Awareness Coloring Contest challenges. This week is dots and lines. Dots and lines. This one is so much fun and I can't wait to show you the examples. So hold on and make sure that you watch these because they will blow your mind. Now, granted, you don't have to get this fancy, so don't get scared because some of them are pretty amazing. So anyway, before I get too far, the Autism Awareness Coloring Contest, remember that every time you submit a colored page to our contest, $1 is donated on your behalf by our sponsors and other local businesses to local autism programs. So every time you are coloring a page, you're raising awareness, you're also raising funds for local autism programs without spending your own money. Genius! Very cool, right? So color as many pages as you can, and it's for all ages, and it goes until April 30th. So get coloring. Okay, contest details. Contest details are all here, and you can find the page to download. Okay, and dots and lines. Here are some examples. Are you ready for this? Because they're kind of... All right. So the cool thing with the dots and lines is you can get really creative with this. You can do lines all in one direction or all over the place, or even make some fancy designs with them. I love this. If you'd like to see more examples, you can also go to my website. I have a gallery on the contest page, or on the challenge page. So here is the website, crystalsalmon.com/autismawareness. If you look here for challenge number 3, you will see a gallery on that page with other examples. And when you submit your page, mention that it's part of the challenges, and I'll add your page to the contest or to the gallery here too. That would be awesome. When you submit, make sure that you use the hashtag mortgage tree. When you post to Facebook, make sure that your post is set to public so that we can all see it. And if you'd like to submit another way, just go to here and you will find other options for submitting. Cool, right? Okay, we all set? Thank you for all of your likes and comments and shares and everything that you do to help support this campaign to help raise autism awareness. And super huge thank you to our awesome sponsors. All right, go color! Happy coloring, guys!